Hey there, my name is Tobin Carpenter, and I'm an MSP consultant at Proval Technologies. Over the next several videos, we'll be performing a deep dive into policy objects and how they can be configured to facilitate automation within your environment. In our VSA Basics series, we introduce you to the concept of policies and how objects can be configured to automate endpoint settings within the VSA. If you need a refresher on this, you can find it on our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the agent menu object. So let's get into it. So you can see here that I have our policy object checked and I have all of the options visible. The agent menu policy object allows you to configure which options are visible to an end user when right-clicking the icon in the notifications area and whether that icon is present at all. The first option we have is enable agent icon. This controls whether or not the icon is visible. The second is about. About will provide details of the agent such as the version number, VSA address, license ID, and others. The text box allows you to customize the text displayed, and I do recommend branding it to your company name, such as I have here, Proval Monitoring Agent. Contact Administrator can be used if you're using the VSA Client Portal or a custom web portal for clients to submit tickets. However, as I do not find many of my partners using the VSA portal or their own, I recommend using this to direct the client to your website by placing your desired URL in the text box. For example, you can see that I have the display is going to be provaltech.com and the location that it's going to direct them to is provaltech.com. Of course, you can use your own website here. The next option, company URL menu, allows you to direct clients to a specific page. And as we're directing them to in the previous option to your website already, I suggest using this as a quick link for your client to submit tickets via email. So in the first box, let's type submit a ticket. And in the second, let's type mail to and the address that you used for your clients to send tickets to you. This will then open the default mail app when used and allow the client to easily have your email address. The disable remote control option allows the client to disable remote control features of the agent. This can be useful for C-level or financials employees that wish to be able to control when a tech can access their machine. Refresh initiates a check-in of the agent. Exit allows the client to close VSA, which will end communication to the server and prevent remote access and all other features of the VSA until the application and services are started again. And that sums up the agent menu object. And as always, remember to save and apply, and then ensure that this policy is placed into organizations and machine groups so that it properly applies to the machines that belong in that view. Thanks for watching. We post new videos every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Let us know what else you'd like to see.